Yes! Hello everybody, my name is Timothy or Timmybug, and I've recently gotten into custom keyboards. I've been watching YouTube videos and doing a lot of different things with custom keyboards. I've been doing a lot of research on them. I have bought, and we'll be doing a review later on this, but I have bought the keyboard build kit. You could have WASD be Cherry MX Reds, and then you could have the entire rest of the keyboard be boxed shades, which is actually probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to put Gateron yellows in the rest of it, and then I also picked up a really cool Keycap set that I found from Amazon that looks really cool. It's like lime green and purple, and Dad thinks it looks stupid, but those are my main channel colors, literally. So I'm going to try to actually keep it to where you guys can kind of see it, but keyboard boxes have always fascinated me. Like, I loved the box that my Apex 3 came in, which is the keyboard I'm using now currently, and I love it, but, you know, I wanted to build a custom one. I'm gonna keep the Apex 3. Here it is, the keyboard, but we're gonna put that to the side because we have some of this crap to go through. I like this escape key. That's nice. That's real nice. Also comes with rubber feet. That's good to know. Gotta do the Tommy in it face. Full aluminum. Very, very happy with that. Of course, the escape switch comes first. Glorious. Alright, now that I've kind of got a hang of it, let's have fun during this time lapse. I hear very little rattle, which I'm very happy about. That sounds good, man. That sounds good. My plan is not to keep Gateron yellows in this, but I just want to have this keyboard working today. Keycap time. Dude, I love these textured keycaps. They're so nice. That one. This is Z. ZXC. Why didn't ZHC name his channel that? Just ZXC. It's next to each other on the keyboard. I bet there is actually a channel, like, named QWERTY. I can almost guarantee it, actually. F3, that's a very important key to Minecraft. G and O. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the board is done. The final piece. What is this one, by the way? I know the RGB isn't quite as brilliant as on my keyboard, but I kind of like it more. If you would like to, I don't know why you would, but if for some reason you want to build the Timmybug Mark 1, I will try to update it relatively frequently and leave the items I used to build this linked in the description down below. All Amazon items, so hopefully you have Prime. Until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed. It's free. Always unsubscribe later. Tim.
And you too could have colored keyboard.
He was waiting to do that.